Now I'm going to show you how I would compose something using Eclipse. I'm going to start with downforce. Cool. Now I'm going to use crushed valves to create something maybe more thematic. Definitely on the top of that, let's use the latch mode to add tension. Cool. Now I'm gonna also automate here the first layer with tension using the latch mode. How about if I start darker using the low pass filter? You can also add more tension with the rate. add some reverbs. Let's now add some reverbs. Now bringing back this more melodic motif, maybe later. Much less attack. And we're gonna also use the strike strings here, so you can see how all that textures can work really well with something more acoustic like strike strings to create that kind of a more hybrid score. So I'm gonna use phrase, since that's all tempo synchronized. So I'm gonna maybe I could have started with just like high strings. So that was a quick composition using Eclipse and also strike strings. And you can see how Eclipse also blends so well with acoustic instruments like strike strings. Eclipse can be used for suspense, horror, of course, but that can be used so well also for sci-fi, drama scores, and even action scores. I hope you enjoyed that demo and enjoy Eclipse.